a mukbang.
Mukbang.
Just random stuff.
Let's order our food.
You better hope that's a good picture. Girl, it don't matter. They're not gonna really be looking at the damn phone. Man, this can't open. Yeah.
Real juicy, real,
All that.
What the fuck is that shrimp?
They here now?
I should have said not the head. I thought she would look like a cereal.
Bitch, that's enough.
Okay, so y'all, so currently I am 18.
Me too. Actually, y'all, I just turned 18 August 8th. Y'all know I'm the youngest.
I'm finna turn 18 next month.
Lucky her. Oh, wait. This fucking butter. Don't double dip, bitch.
Bitch, your butt over there.
Oh, I ain't see that. My bad. I got some butter too. Put that shit up.
So good.
I love crab legs. Anyways, y'all. We had a Halloween party last week. We probably gonna put a little recap video in the video
Right here.
How are Halloween night
What's up,
went?
y'all?
They waste grits all in my car. We had got drunk. We missed teleport with Casamigos. Anyway, y'all. After this, we gonna slide to a little kickback.
So we're gonna slide to a kickback, see what's going on over there.
It might be deep, it might not. We gonna see. There might be too much. I just had to show y'all that. I look good.
It's my golden crab is better.
Girl, that don't taste like. Oh yeah, we are from Galata, Georgia. I got two seafood places down here. They got Cajun wild crab, then they have golden crab. When I went to golden crab, they crab tasted like straight butter, like that had no type of like seasoning. If y'all know that. I don't like that place. I mean, but Cajun wild crab, I'll probably rate this place an 8. Good 8. An 8.
It's not like
We
that.
done had better seafood. Yeah. We usually eat seafood from Jacksonville. I forgot what the place called. They done said your name.
You used to go there like every week.
That's you right in on there.
I ate all day.
Girl, me
So y'all, we're gonna be giving y'all with live content, pranks, challenges, everything.
trips. We meant to start our little YouTube game when we went to Mexico.
Yeah, we went to Mexico, guys.
But we finna go on another cruise anyway, so y'all gonna definitely get a video of that. Y'all, I hate these shrimp. What they be having this goddamn.
Ooh, it's hot.
Y'all see this? I hate the shrimp that be having this shit on it. I don't like that.
Girl, I thought she said shrimp without the head or with the head. I thought she was meant like with the shell or not.
Bitch. Now you know damn well.
Girl. But see, all you gotta do is put it on.
I I mean, shit, it's gonna come up anyway, so it really don't matter. It's just a little weird. Yeah, these gloves finna get, I'm finna get mad already.
You ain't no shrimp be at the bottom of the sea, like the very, very bottom. Shrimp be at the bottom of everything.
That's nasty.
But it's fuck though.
Ain't no telling what's at the bottom of that sea. Bottom of the sea. They better be cleaning them shit good.
The gloves ain't doing it, y'all. I tried to look professional. I tried to be professional for y'all, but we get scared over here.
Now, why the fuck I didn't do that? Yeah, me personally, I don't use these. It's like, it's cracking with your hands. Ain't no need to doing all that extra shit. That shit is not costly. I mean, some people like to be extra and use that shit, but I'm not using that shit. I ain't no count. This sausage is okay. I don't know. Everybody, all these seafood places, their sausages don't be all that. I can't even eat my corn, it's too hot.
That corn honey. It's good though.
Girl, no, that's just way too hot. Oh, anyways, y'all, we're gonna be lit tonight. Y'all gonna see our little recap or whatever. What I'm saying recap. I just keep on saying that. Y'all gonna see our little, we're gonna put a little video in there. Maybe, or we might videos. We might record. We gotta ask Pete Wendy bottles. She got a bottle, I got a bottle. We're gonna try to finish them. But y'all, if we get on this camera, we like fuck up. It's a smooth little Friday. Ain't really nothing going to look cool. I'm friends with they niggas and shit, so.
And one of our friends is MIA. You don't know what she is.
Right, this bitch just be going MIA.
She playing lately.
You know, y'all, that bitch real life be going missing, like. What the fuck?
She was just fucking
Something ain't right. Y'all, she just don't want it missing. Like, I don't try to call her at all.
Yeah.
I can't, you know how some people just have their little days where they just don't want to feel like talking to nobody?
But she can post though.
Yeah. She can post them. She can post but not text us back or try to call us. Like, bitch, whatever you doing is not that important. We just trying to see if you're okay. And Australia, I don't know. She probably with her man right now too. Y'all gonna catch them.
We're currently single.
Yeah, both of us single. When you know your worth, you gonna be single because niggas these days.
It gets pretty boring.
Yeah.
But it's funny.
I don't know what the fuck you talking about, y'all. I ain't gonna count. I really want a relationship right now.
Yeah, it is cold.
Like,
it is cold.
And it's usually it be either her single and then I'm not single, or usually it just be both of us in a relationship. But now both of us just single. Like, we've been single for real.
For a while,
This shit ain't cracking. Yeah, I just want to fucking pick on my road. Right.
no, it's so good.
like she almost done, but look at me, bro. I'm trying to eat this. Oh no, y'all, this ain't open either. Oh, there it goes. Yes, I got it, y'all.
Girl, my meat ain't coming out like that.
Girl, you ain't cracking your crowd. You're not cracking it like that. Yeah, I don't know why, but this corn is still hot. I'm still trying to eat it. Oh, so y'all. There's a whole couple behind us. I didn't even know. They probably see us recording. They're not in the video though.
Yeah.
We be eating the meat out of this part. I don't know if that be good meat or not. I don't really care either. I'm gonna eat the meat out of my shit. Ooh, regardless.
Look, number. Ew.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I think this will come with the head.
Girl, no. You need to tell her about that. So she can give you a refund. She might give you a refund for your whole food.
Girl.
I swear to God. Y'all, we finna get a manager because I don't know what the fuck.
Now this stuff green.
You know you fucked up. Oh my God. It's like good juice.
Cause this probably would come with the head.
No, this do not come with the head. I'm about to tell her about this. They not cleaning their shrimp
Never
right.
got shrimp with the head.
Girl, I'm still about to tell her, do that supposed to look like that or not? Cause something just ain't adding up with that too right here.
Yo, I'm gonna tell her about this.
Something just ain't adding up. Okay, it's a pretty good about a meat up here. In this thing. Ain't shit in here. Like, what the fuck? I can't be great, bro. But this shit just won't crack. I'm over it. I'm trying to let our foods. I just look at them go this shit at. If not, we both gonna be throwing it.
We just everybody
Like, for real. See, y'all, this meat kind of fucked up. It's okay, though. I'm about to dip it in there and slurp it out. Let me stop. No, that was good. See how I just cleaned up? Y'all know like where that lady at? She I don't think I'm gonna get her no too. God dang, y'all, Rara digging in. Meanwhile, I'm still, what the fuck up there? Y'all, killing wild crowd people don't make nothing. Make sure you got shit. I feel bad for people.
Yeah, they be wanting one here. They come.
What?
No class.
Bro, it's not really hard times. I mean, it's just
Cause we still in school, you know.
we're in college, so it's like she gotta work around her school schedule. I gotta work around my school schedule, and really we just gotta go with what job can work around our school schedule. Most jobs are looking for night shift, most jobs are looking for morning shift.
I'm glad I'd be able to do one shift for a year.
What the fuck that lady is?
Yeah, this ain't right.
Wait, you gonna be taking night classes or day classes? You gonna be taking day classes?
I'm gonna try to win.
And came back like, what the fuck, y'all? We already pissed off about the damn shrimp.
Yeah, y'all, we gotta get on her about this stuff.
Look at that. I'm gonna try to get the
Oh, we gotta say this book that yeah, catch you crowd. This got put the title, we got kicked.
Bro, you so bored, bro. Wow. We can ask somebody for a manager at this point.
Yeah, like what the manager?
Cause what the fuck?
Yeah, we're not ungrateful. We was just really
She
concerned
just
about
haven't
this
came back and checked on us or nothing. The shrimp done got fucked up.
2 hours later.
I have a question about the shrimp. It's like green stuff.
I don't understand.
They got green stuff all.
Did I start?
Really? It's like blood, like
Good shit.
That's how they look like.
Interesting.
I know.
feel like
No, it's supposed to look like that.
oh, okay.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I might need to get the manager next year. She might be lying. Y'all go in the comments below and let us know do the head on shrimp supposed to like that or no, it's ain't right. It's not adding. What the fuck my glove? Yeah, I still ain't gave up on my big ass glove because look how big these shit is. That ass glove, like who the fuck did that? Shit, a big they need to have small gloves. They don't like to get nobody these big ass shit.
Well, they probably need to get gloves to fit all sizes.
I'm fucking shit not cracking, bro. Oh, that shit just splattered in my eye. That shit feel like it just went in my eye, y'all. Hell fucking no, bitch. My meat right here. I mean, I'm trying to dip it in the butter, like, but damn. Girl. Shit like that.
Nobody really add no shit.
No, I think it always say that. We just haven't noticed. What the fuck, y'all? Something ain't right with them shrimp. Oh. Yeah, motherfucking all, bitch. Yeah, it's about time to get up out of here. We gotta let our food digest for a little bit. When we do leave, y'all can get ready with us for the kickback. When we just redo our... Who part of I thought we were going to my house. You not going to my house?
No, I thought you said we're not going to your house.
Yeah, when did I say that?
Girl, you said we're not coming back.
No, I didn't say that. I'm on clothes at my house. I was thinking we changed at my house, but if not, then
You
shit.
got to keep your clothes down.
We ain't got to. I can just run to the clothes at my house, man. But we ain't gotta do all that. Fuck this damn straw. They need lower straw. Long
Yeah,
ass
we
cup.
done ready for us to go to the at this point.
Yeah, Teray
Walk around smile to her big ass nose, y'all.
Ooh, shit. Serena got turned out by her
Head on stroke.
I done cried this whole crowd for it to be nothing in there. Y'all do not come to this place.
Yeah, we just said don't come here and stay here. Damn, this video 30 minutes long.
Oh my god, it's gonna be like fucking strong. Like, I'm not even trying to complain, y'all, but like, there's gonna be this long ass cup, and I gotta dig in to get my straw. Like, dang. That is ghetto. About trying to get up out of this without that racket. I'm telling y'all, Mariah be pushing her car. I'm waiting on this bitch that came out.
Girl, you be pushing your car.
Girl, you should have saw, y'all should have saw how she was flying. Girl, it You ended turning like you should have been slowing down there, y'all. My God, yeah. Yeah, it's probably gonna take this lady about 30 minutes to come back. We just don't have time for this.
Look at that. Somebody potatoes though.
No, bitch. I gotta call RG when that call.
No, it's not in the building.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, my.
Hell no.
I just messed around and said somebody's name. I did not try to say that. Anyways, yeah.
Yeah, we had so much going on.
He can know them.
Oh God. Was just doing stuff that night. How did?
You know, he cool though, y'all. Like, he real chill.
Yeah, we had with cool people, cool chill people.
Yeah, y'all know some niggas be doing to him.
What the fuck this lady at, y'all?
I don't fucking know, but she need to come on. I'm about trying to go. Girl, let me stop. I'm gonna be on tour.
Oh shit, it's two of them. What the fuck? I was hitting them mixed up.
Oh my God.
They must be, they gotta be
Yo, they look alike. Them girls look alike.
No, they gotta be twin sisters or something.
But they might be sisters.
I think it's having a good. I was like, come on,
And she talking about big,
bro.
y'all, she gonna talk about some big ass nose.
I knew I
I
just
didn't
kept
know you
seeing
lied.
them. Like everywhere. Hey, it's cool.
Ain't no fucking way, bitch. Wait, why you got two bags?
I know they be confused.
When that bag came from there? They ain't had that shit. Y'all, this feel like
I know
that.
they be confusing people in at the same job.
Probably
too.
cause some,
I know they be having fun.
it's just that.
This fish is lipstick she started.
So y'all, she just collected our tickets. Y'all, if y'all heard that, don't worry, it's gonna put a little sound over there. I don't even want this receipt for real. I'm just gonna buy this.
Okay, y'all. So we're gonna leave, and we'll see y'all when we get to Nene house.
Period.
Hey y'all, we back. Hey y'all, we just got ready. We just did something quick. Got our matching tops. She got black. I mean, I got black. She got white. And then we just doing the jeans. She already did. Oh, let me show y'all what we got. We got some Pete Whitney bottles. This is hers. I just laughed. But not for real. We got it. I'm not gonna finish this. I don't think I'm gonna finish this. But this is $8 each. This is 8, that was 8, so shit. Yep. Okay, y'all. We'll be back. Tune in with us, y'all.
Be the topic discussion when niggas got rich off of dropping my gun. How do you even be rocking with buddy?